Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks on the OPPO A17. To open camera pro mode you have to go for the more modes and select this option. Let's focus on this bar at the first. Right here we can find ISO, so with the slider we can adjust it manually and automatically by tapping on this button. Next we can get the shutter speed. We can set it for the 16 second. Next it's the white balance. Right here we can find autofocus. So right now, everything that is close to our lens will be in the focus, but when I'm gonna set it like that, this item is out of the focus. So to get it in the focus, we have to move our phone just like that, a little bit higher. And the next option is the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only set up manually. We can get it between +2 and the -2. And when you click on this camera timer, we can set it for the 3 or 10 seconds. And right here, we can turn on the flashlight. You can get it automatically or just permanently turn it on. And that's all for this video. That's how camera pro mode looks in the OPPO A17. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.